To manually set or override the default consent options in your message, you are going to choose the specific resident you need the consent for. So you're going to search by resident name. In this case, we know it is Dolly, who we need the consent to attend the flu shot clinic. Select Dolly, scroll down to advanced options, and you'll see override default consent mode. You can click the drop down and choose require consent. Now, to make sure the default consent message and settings are properly configured for your organization, simply navigate back to the main menu, go to Settings, Organizational, and you want to look at the consent settings. For this instance, we want to require consent if sending to one resident. And now you can look at the default message for consent below, which will be sent to Dolly's contact. And when they approve this message, the original message for the flu shot clinic will be sent.